I'm Travis, and welcome to my closet. Today we're doing an unboxing from Michael Kors, the men's selection, and let's get started. Alright, here we go. Let's get this product open. Okay, we have a belt from Michael Kors. Let's take off some of the wrapping before we do a close-up look. They do a good job wrapping the metal here around the buckle. That way you're not getting a pre-scratched item. But we're actually going to be doing a comparison today of two of the same belts in different colors. And we'll see if this has a problem with scratching over time or not. But I still appreciate all of the little detail that they put into it. So, this is our new Michael Kors belt. It is one size fits all, and the reason why is because you can open it up back here and trim the belt to size. So, it makes it really versatile and easy to buy for somebody as a gift. Because you don't want to get somebody, even shoes, a lot of times vary in size. I find like Louis Vuitton and Coach are the same, but Michael Kors runs a size small. And you can really hurt somebody's feelings if you get them a shirt that you think is really beautiful or would look good on them, and it ends up being too snug. And I think we've all been there. So a gift like this is perfect. Also, because, let me see, it's reversible. The back side of this belt is a navy blue, or kind of like my cap right now, we could say. So it makes it a very versatile item. I was just going through my closet, and I've got just, I don't have a belt hanger per se, I just have a hanger I hang my belts on. And it's a ratted mess. So having just a couple staple belts, in this case, two Michael Kors belts, that you can quickly and easily change to your preference of dress and attire, makes it extremely helpful. Let's see here. Anything pertaining? Yes, right here. We will see how easy it is in just a couple of steps to trim the belt to size. So we can get rid of that. And every time I do that, I cut my fingers. This time, no. So what I'd like to do the comparison on is my existing Michael Kors belt. You might notice my pants are sagging a little. Well, that's because I just took this off. This is my daily beast and has been for a couple months now. It is a great belt to start with for Michael Kors because it's more of a neutral color. This one is a brown on black. No, it's a brown on brown, excuse me. And then the back is a classic black. It makes it extremely versatile. And also, in my opinion, when you get a changeable belt and you do change it often, you don't get that classic, I mean, this is leather and you're going to get bends and twists in it no matter what. But if you're changing it up every other couple days, then it's going to kind of bend it back and forth. And it's going to retain its shape longer, in my opinion. Now, like I said, I've had this for a couple of months. It too is reversible, as I was talking about. And I love that, because a lot of times I don't want my belt to be my accent. I don't want it to be the star of the show. And I'll switch to black and let some of my other items take the grand stage. So this is what we're wondering about. At least this is what I'm wondering about. And that's after a couple of months of wearing it pretty much every day, what the deterioration is like. Now, I can brag a little. I have lost a belt loop since I've owned this. And you can see, I mean, that's not bad. That's really not. That's normal wear and tear for a leather belt. I stayed the longest here on this hole, and you can kind of see, let's see if I can get the light to bounce. There we go, the light's bouncing off it. And there's going to be some distortion. But when you put the belt on, and we'll put it through that third hole, the one that's been the most abused, that distortion is part of the product. I mean, it's part of the bend, the natural bend in the leather that is created right there. So you're not going to see that when you're wearing it. Nobody else is going to notice. It's not going to take away from the appearance. It's just going to still look really nice. Now, if you go up or down a size, that distortion is starting to get noticed. If you can see here, let me see if I can get that light again. Not quite, but, well, maybe if I let it relax naturally. There we go. You can see here there's a little bit of that, which, I mean, it's not the end of the world. This is a really great belt. And just the versatility in these two belts is phenomenal. Now that I have these in my collection, I love wearing blue suits. I absolutely will be wearing the blue Michael Kors quite a bit. However, I don't see myself wearing this one. I don't see any scenario where I'd wear it. They have two different versions. They're both the same on this side, but on the reverse side, it's got a dark blue. And the reason why I didn't go with that dark blue, and I'm kind of regretting it now that I'm home and I'm seeing it and I'm really thinking about it, I don't ever see a use for this color. Well, the dark blue, in my opinion, was too close to the black. But now, like I said, I'm starting to have buyer's remorse. I'm starting to wish that I would have gone with the dark blue, even though it would have appeared to most people as just a black. This is not going to be a reversible belt for me. You know what? Tell me down in the comments what kind of outfit you would wear this with. And it could be anything. It could be your relaxed wear, your Sunday wear, your casual Friday, maybe in jeans, maybe. But see, in jeans, I think you'd want that MK, that signature print is just so sought after, in my opinion, that why would you go to the other side? All right, well, I would like to take a minute to ask you to please drop a like and subscribe if you're liking the content, and ring that little bell. And other than that, I'm Travis, and thanks for joining me in my closet. Bye. Hi guys, quick announcement. I now have a Tumblr and an Instagram. You can find me at Travis WTMC. That's Travis WTMC. Come over, drop a like, follow me. I'll be doing updates when I'm not doing posts, and I think I'm going to move Suit of the Day over to that instead of taking up time in the reviews. Anyways, thanks again. Oh, and Gunner, this is Gunner. Moo Moo. Oh, this is Moo Moo. All right, guys, thank you for your time. Thank you, honey. Bye.